Okay. Angelica has made a deal. She will do the dishes and vacuum for 2 weeks if I let her have her Christmas present early. So, on your mark, get set, go.
Okay, I guess. Oh, I almost cut myself. What is in here?
All the way around the lip.
Huh?
All the way around the lip of the knife.
I'm trying.
Put it up underneath.
When Eric wraps things, he wraps them pretty good.
Yeah, I've noticed. Okay, there's that. Can't get it open. Okay, did I get it all yet?
And are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, got it.
2 weeks dishes and vacuuming.
Got it. There's bricks! That's why it was so heavy! What in the world? Is there only bricks in here? You guys are insane! Is that all that's in here? No, you guys!
I said, are you sure?
No, guys! I got bricks for Christmas!
See, Sequoia's gonna help you.
That's all that was in here! You guys are crazy! Okay, this is not fair! I shouldn't have to do the dishes for 2 weeks for bricks! I shouldn't have to!
Ooh, that was hilarious.
I shouldn't have to do the dishes for 2 weeks and vacuum for bricks!
You made the deal.
Yeah, but I shouldn't have to do it for bricks!
You made the deal. It doesn't matter.
I shouldn't have to do it for bricks! I got bricks for Christmas!
That's the...
Any more?
No.
Any more? No, there's no more.
Well, but yeah, there's more out behind your mom's car.
No, not these! Guys, that's not fair!
Okay, you do have a Christmas present. But you're still not getting it today.
Oh my goodness! Okay, listen.
No.
I shouldn't have to do the dishes and vacuum for bricks.
No.
No,
that's not fair!
Click on it.
That's not fair!
You made a deal.
That
You
is
made
not
a deal.
fair.
You
No,
made
guys,
a deal.
I shouldn't have to do it for bricks!
You made a deal.
6 bricks! I shouldn't have to
You can blame that one on Eric. That was his idea.
I shouldn't have to do the dishes for 6 bricks! That's not fair!
Well, I'll throw in 2 more.
No! That's not fair, guys! Look at this!
Yeah, isn't it nice? Aren't they pretty?
I shouldn't have to do it for 2 weeks for bricks. That's not fair.
Ooh. That was,
surely did surprise me.
That was funny. Yeah. Okay, now I have a headache from last